Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to reset progress in Archero 2. But in the beginning, I will tell you that there is no direct option to reset your progress, and I'll show you a solution what you need to do. You can just simply delete your account or do the simple thing. First of all, you need to click your profile icon in the top left corner right here, and you need to copy your user ID. Here is the copy button right here on the right side of your user ID. Just click on it and close this. Then you need to look at the left menu and you need to click this three lines in top and go to the settings. Right here in the settings, you need to select support and select contact us. Right here, you need to select the category, save data related, explain your issue that you want to reset your progress in the game, and provide your user ID and provide your email address in the bottom. Then click submit and the support team will assist you and help you to reset the progress. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.